All right, look. What are you providing for us today?
Today we have a seared Albacore Tuna Tataki. What's up everyone? It's Kennedy Quinsuri back here again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a seared Albacore Tuna Tataki in 2 minutes. First, you're just going to need 5 different things. The most key ingredient is of course your fish. This is an albacore tuna. It's seared and it's still raw on the inside, just seared on the outside. Nice and perfect. Your first ingredient that you need to sauce it all up is of course the sauce. Right here is our ponzu sauce mixed with wasabi, sesame oil, and chili oil. It's a really good flavor with the citrus from the ponzu, the soy sauce, mixed with that wasabi to add that little spice. That kick will go really well. Or you need to have some type of onions. I like red onions because I like to eat red onions as well. So I got some slices of red onions, topping it off with green onions, and of course, these nice Japanese chili peppers called togarashi. That's all you need. Alright, well let's get started. I'm gonna start by cutting the fish and plate everything all up with the sauce and the toppings. Here we go. After cutting the fish, just gonna add everything else.
What is that? Just in case people don't know what it is.
It's pretty much, a seared tuna, still nice and raw on the inside, seared on the outside. We have a special sauce of wasabi ponzu. We're gonna top it off with red onions, green onions, some sauce, and some chili peppers.
มื้อนี้เนาะมื้อนี้ลูกชายเพิ่นจะเฮ็ดอาหารญี่ปุ่นให้ครอบครัวกินมื้อนี้เพิ่นเฮ็ดปลา What is that again?
Albacore Tuna.
ปลา Albacore Tuna บ่ฮู้ว่าบ้านเฮาบ่มีดอกแต่ว่าเป็นปลาทูน่าเนาะปลาทู Albacore Tuna ก็เป็นปลาชนิดหนึงแบบที่ว่ามาจากครอบครัวปลาทูน่าเนาะ
ปลาขาวดิบ
So ปัจจุบันนี้เปิดกำลังจัดจานเนาะ So he's plating right now. That's it. Right there. Look at this. So the chef Kennedy's been prepping this, and we are very fortunate เนาะพอดีเนาะมื้อนี้ลูกชายเฮ็ดให้กินซิมึงว่าเซาว่าเป็นอะไรเนาะแต่ว่าถ้าบ่ต้องการวาซาบิอยู่นี่เพราะว่าซอสเพิ่นว่ามันมีละ I don't need to add wasabi here because the sauce I put it in this already has wasabi. So there we go. I have to apologize. I do not need to have this, but it is really, really good. Oh. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that little button and say follow. Thank you. See you.